Hi everyone. So I've been taking for the past few weeks this gut support supplement by Ancient Bliss, and I just wanted to talk to you about some of the benefits that I've noticed because I know this sounds dramatic, but I feel like it's changed my overall health. I haven't changed anything on my diet. I've only been incorporating just 3 of these a day, and I've noticed countless of benefits. So some of the benefits that taking these supplements include are that it can improve your gut lining and support leaky gut. It can also improve your focus and your energy and just your overall well-being. I also noticed that I've been having regular bowel movements, which is probably why I was bloated all the time. So this has definitely helped with that. And the last thing that I cannot thank these supplements enough is my overall mental health. If you did not know, your gut is like your second brain. So if your gut is not balanced, it can lead to depression, anxiety, all that not so fun stuff. So having a well-balanced gut is key to your mental health. These supplements have been so easy for me to take. They're very light on my stomach, and the capsules are actually pretty small, so it makes it super easy to swallow. So I've been having a great time taking these and experiencing all the great benefits from the gut support supplements by Ancient Bliss. So you have to try these out.